and today we have minimum operations to exceed threshold value. This question says you're giving an indexed array 0, indexed array nums, and an integer k. In one operation, you can take two smallest integers. You take the two smallest integers in nums, and you remove them, and then you add to the array this equation, which is minimum of both multiplied by 2 plus the maximum of both. You can only apply it if nums contains at least two elements. It wants to return the minimum number of operations needed, so all of the elements in the array are greater than or equal k. So basically, this question is a straightforward heap question. You can, by experience, you can actually like know these patterns the longer you practice. Why? Because it asks for the two smallest integers. So in each operation, in each iteration, you want to take the two smallest integers. What's the most efficient way of doing so? You can sort. Well, there's two ways. You can actually sort the array and then go one by one and then keep taking the smallest like that. Or you could just use a heap, which is basically the same time complexity, really. A min heap in Python, for example, and you can keep popping the two numbers and then doing this equation and then adding it again to the heap until when, like, and you keep popping, right? And then what's gonna break it is you'll eventually reach a point where the two numbers you're gonna pop are going to be greater than k. So it says here down below, the input is generated such as an answer always exists. So there's always going to be an answer, right? So it's never going to break, really. So you're going to keep doing this equation. And if you don't believe me, you can try it yourself and it's always going to work out. You keep doing the equation, pushing, and then you're going to reach a part where both of the numbers you actually pop are actually greater than k. There might be some cases where one number is greater than k, but the other isn't. So in that case, you need to actually process both. You need to take that big number and actually use it in the next equation. So, but the only case that's ever going to be correct is both numbers have to be greater than or equal k. That means if these are the two smallest numbers in the array, anything else is greater, right? So basically, we have a heap here. We start looping over nums and adding to the heap. It's a min heap, right? So this is n log n time, and then I iterate while length heap is greater than 1, right? So because we need to have at least two elements in the array. If we have one, it's not going to work. And we pop twice basically, and then this is the superhero for the question. If x is greater than k and y is greater than k, return result. Result is just a counter, right? That means these are the two smallest integers, they're greater than k both. Just return. Otherwise, we increment, right? And then we do the equation, calculate the new number, and then we add it to the heap again. And then we keep going. It's either going to go here, or it's either just going to go here. Because there's going to be one number left, which we can't do anything with anyways. Yeah, so that's been it, guys. Time complexity is n log n. Thank you, and see you in the next one.